As we all know, Miami summers are a bit intense. Every summer we receive dozens of vehicles with AC issues. What we have today is a 2014 Maserati Ghibli. Customers' original complaint was that the AC was not blowing cold air. After we perform a diagnostic on the AC system, we'll be replacing the compressor and the dehydrator. Let's take a look at the vehicle. The compressor on this vehicle needed to be replaced because the seals were deteriorated and the gas was leaking. The dehydrator was also replaced because it was dirty and because of age. And a tiny fun fact about us is that no vehicle ever leaves our shop without receiving a complimentary car wash. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.